For me, the idea was sharing my love for Paris and to make it very affordable.
The limited edition collection is available starting tomorrow.
I was really looking at achieving the best design, the best fit to a woman's body.
And now Brooke Anderson is giving us a sneak peek of the clothes.
So who doesn't love high fashion at an affordable price? My jacket, which also comes in black, is part of the Catherine Malandrino collection, and there are so many other cute pieces too. Let's take a look at Katie. Here she is in a blouse that really epitomizes the romantic charm of the collection. Here we've paired it with a high-waisted black pleated skirt and heels, but you can also throw on a pair of tights and booties for a whole different look. We've got another versatile look on Lisa, and how cute is this black and white top with its heart-shaped padlock? All right, we've put it with this essential ponte pant for a look that I think you'll agree is easy and chic. And finally, Lisa is wearing this mesh embroidered dress, and check out the detail on this number from top to bottom, front to back, and I really love the see-through elements here at the neckline and in the 3/4 length sleeves. This dress has the essence of femininity. Items range from $36 to $130. For more on the Catherine Malandrino collection, head over to ET Online and click on the Kohl's button.